And then underneath it, you're gonna click where it says automatically apply risk. And it might say save changes or whatever, some shit like that. And you save changes. So make sure y'all have that done. And you're gonna go back out right here to these candles where it says trading. These candles right here. And that shit pop through. All right. Still trying to get over this hump. I think it's gonna come. So let's get a buy. Let's move up to let's see what it's coming down. So let's see what we got. Let's get a buy on this. So I want you to go up right here to about 25,054. That should be good. Hold on. Damn, no, don't go there. Okay. Let's go up to 25,0. Okay. I use the dome though. I like it now. I figured out what to do with it. But if I need to, if it don't show up well, just let me know. Then I'll take it off. Yeah, I don't think this thing gonna get any stronger. So this is what we're gonna do, y'all. Like 25,050. That's a long way. 25,059.50, somewhere around there. Right click, go to stop buy and buy one. And let it sit. If it come up there, it's gonna buy it. If it don't, well, make sure y'all have that bracket. Right now we drifting. Either it's gonna bust through this or whatever. And we gonna be in here real quick though. We ain't gonna stand here because I think the overall market sentiment is still like we should be breaking down. I done traded all my money on my regular account on the Webull already, y'all. I made like $2,000 today. Like it was, I did not miss. I didn't have a single bad trade today. Just because again, some days it's gonna be a little easier. You just have to stick with what you know. We knew the market was coming down. I've been watching this bitch since 2 o'clock this morning. So that was kind of easy for me to do. This looks like you want to break through. But we see where our buy is. So as soon as we buy, we're gonna start adjusting our parameters. Hopefully you guys are on the desktop. I don't know how quickly or easy you guys can do this. I don't know what the phone app looks like or anything like that. Hopefully on a desktop or a laptop. I stir fry gonna ask me a question and then leave. That nigga ain't like my answer. Let's see. We're gonna be quick about this though. Here's a little tip for you. But y'all can't see it. No, fine. Hey, if you are on a desktop or a laptop or whatever, log into your Webull account as well and
Order
just
filled.
oh shit, that shit went my bad. Order place. All right, move your brackets and shit.
Order filled.
God damn it, that was too fast. My bad, y'all. Mine was too fast. Trying to do another one.
Order filled.
All right, that was done. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, whatever. Fuck it. All right. If y'all order filled, which you should have, look, so you should be up a couple of dollars, right? So if I don't want to lose any money, I would move this up. And all right, $2.50 is at the I'll at least make $2.50. But it's a cool feature. You just want to keep moving it up. Look, see, I'm up $40 and keep. Now, the reason I don't mind taking such small increments of money is simple. They gave me $50,000, so that means I could do this 100 goddamn times. So look, I'm up 49.50. Let me go up some more. And again, the overall sentiment is for us to go down. That's another reason why I'm just gonna follow right behind this bitch. Look, $35 I don't made. I'm up 66. Now I'm up 78. I'm just gonna keep on going. Going up $50. All right, $50. I'm locked in. Y'all see how cool of a feature this is, dog? And I just keep moving this up, bitch, because I want my profit to be as high as I can. That's why I'm staying right underneath it. Look at that. If anywhere we come down, it's gonna be this white line right here. Yeah, basically. But you physically doing it yourself. I don't understand. Yeah, the trailer stop on here, I don't quite understand like the ticks and the movement. So I gotta figure that part out. All right, so I'm probably finna hit make like $81. Here come y'all. I hope it go back up. Let me see. Yeah, bam. Y'all saw that? That was $81 in less than 5 minutes. $81 or less. Did anybody get in the trade? Chris, did you get in the trade, or you got talking to that lady about unemployment again?
Got in, but I limit bought before that.
Yeah, I got in. I get it like 44.52.
You made 44?
Yeah, I think I made 100. I made 150 too.
I was messing with the limit and fucked it up.
Yeah, it's okay. It takes some getting used to. Order filled. I'm on. Man, y'all just made Rio just made $100 in 5 minutes. I made 80. Chris made 40. Hey Chris, call your wife. Tell her you got 40 ready for her.
I was scalping like a motherfucker earlier, KB. You'd have been proud, dog.
I like that shit, Rio. Get in and get out. You have your perimeter set so small. So like last night, my perimeters were set. I had some of them set for y'all saw it was $15. So as soon as I get in, hey, look, if you ain't going the right way, I'm all right. $15. $15 is going. You know what I'm saying? That's all I was losing. Those are quick scalps. But when I start making money, it's $50 here, $100 there. All right, we're gonna try some more, y'all. Not like this, but you can do this shit all day. Look, we're going down again. Let me see. I don't have no. I don't see right there. That's the only one right there. I want to jump on this, but then I don't. So let's go underneath it. I'm going to right click about, what did I say? Oh, sorry, y'all. Damn. 25.0. Yeah. 25.0557, somewhere around there. Do a stop sell for one. If you come get it, we're going to rock with it. Oh, shit. I should have did more than that. Hey, go right underneath it and do another one. Not too close underneath it. We're going back the other way. Okay, that's fine. Still do another one. Stop sell for one, like right underneath it. So look, we got multiples set up. These are gonna have to be real quick. So you should have one around like 25.5650, and you should have another around 25.050, 25. See if we can get those. And then you still got this big boy down here. If we get this big boy down here, then we should be flushing all the way. Hopefully I could do this quick enough to sell them one at a time. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. We're gonna try. I don't necessarily trust the buys right now, but if we get another gap up, we're gonna take it and eat. I'm looking at I told you, if you can pull up your wheelboard chart and go straight to the queue. The charts are exactly the same, but for me, I could just read the chart better. So if you look at the 5 minute on the Q, that bitch going straight down. But the 15 is still holding up. Didn't see that. But that's why we have our buys where they are. Because that's breaking down. So let's see if we get this first one, guys. You're gonna be real. This is gonna be quick, y'all.
Order filled.
All right. So I'll move my parameters. See if we can get the second one. All right. 8. All right, bam. So I'm coming
Order
up,
filled.
so I don't make no losses. All right, now we got both of them filled. I'm coming right behind it. I don't want no losses. $20. If I make $20, so be it. Just because I don't want no losses. I don't want no losses. So look, boom. I'm up 70. Let's slide this bad boy down. 66. I'm up 100.
Order filled.
All right, boom. I made $66. Y'all boys just made. I made $81 in the first 5 minutes and 66 in the second. And that's just the way I did it. Y'all could possibly still be in it. Like you decide like how you want to do it, like how far you want to go. Look, bro, we probably be up to a few $100 right now. But who cares? Like again, that's the beauty of Top Step, dog. Like we got $50,000. I could do this over and over and over and over and over again. The key is to just minimize your losses. Make sure you're not losing. So if you make $20, who gives a shit? You can make it again the next 2 minutes. You just don't want to lose. So the cooler thing about this than options is it's easier to not take a loss. It's kind of easy to take a loss, but it's easier to not take a loss because you just move up and down with it. It's not a lot of entering and a lot of waiting. You could just move up and down with it. So everybody should be over $100 in 10 minutes worth of learning, bro. And again, on Top Step, this is the money you get to keep 90% of what you're earning. So I'm still in my combine though, so I'm not getting any of this money, but fine, whatever. Okay. But there you go, fellas. Same thing. It's all free money. Yeah, who cares? Yeah. It's all free money. Who cares? Just know in a certain amount of days, what is it, I think 30 days, he said. It is something like that. Then you get your 90% of your money. First time is 50, but it's cool. It's free money, bro. Who gives a shit? 12 o'clock. I need to go make me a smoothie. I'm hungry. Let's see. See what we got. On the file, yeah, because the 15 told me we was going back up. 15 showing weakness. We still got this big boy sale down here, y'all. If we come and get this today, that shit, that's gonna be nice. We got a V on the 1. 15. 15 is showing some weakness. Not much, but we're gonna stay where we at. Again, y'all look at me. Y'all look at my chart. I'm looking for support and resistance.
When you do the sell like that, that's a short basically, ain't it?
Say that again.
When you get the sell, like when you set the market sell or the limit sell or whatever.
Is it a what? What did you ask?
Is it shorting it?
Oh yeah, that's shorting. I'm sorry, I didn't understand. Yeah. So when you buy the sell, that's shorting. That means we're going down.
Yeah, you want it to go down.
I hope I.
All right.
You want to go down.
I got you.
My bad if I didn't explain that, fellas. But yes, so shorting is wanting it to go down. It's basically that's basically a put on futures. Now we got calls and puts on options on B-Bull. So your shorting is a put basically. See, like if I was feeling frisky, I would take this and move this up here. But hey, bitch. Y'all see that shit? I didn't want that. I wanted something more secure that I know we're gonna eat off of. That motherfucker tried to get me, y'all. I forgot what the fuck I was. Yeah, whatever. Y'all stuff should still be in the same spot. I don't know what mine was. That bitch almost got me. It wouldn't have been the bad thing, but that just wasn't a sure line. Damn, good take. Yeah, okay. I want something to be a lot more concrete. That signifies that we going down. I actually should go down further than this, and I think I will, just to be safe, guys. I'm gonna take this down a little bit further. So around, there's so many damn resistances, man. That might be too far. 24.99 is where I'm going with this. I'm going down to 24. I could have had this filled already though. Man, y'all know what though? We got nuts. Let's move it up. Move it up a little bit. Let's get it. 25088 008 25008. And we just gonna be real cautious on it. Because again, you got $50,000. So if you get in it quick and you go negative 15, 20, just cut it because you can re-enter and make that right back. We're not tripping.
Order filled.
All right. Move your parameters, guys, so it won't, so it won't fill. I don't know where my damn cell at. I can't find it, but whatever. I'm in my take profit. Look, y'all, look, we going. This shit finna come right back. Damn, that was too quick. Let's see what we got. Yeah, that shit coming right back, y'all. Let's make sure we don't lose no money. So come right underneath it. All right, I'm set for $2. Whatever. I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose no money, y'all. It's just that simple. All right. So 35 slightly. So the reason I don't move as close as possible because you guys got to give it time to breathe. It's gonna go up and down or down and up, and you don't want it to hit your stop loss too quick. So you got to give it room to breathe, especially if you believe in it. So I'm gonna leave this at $10 because when this goes to 60, I'm gonna move this up to about 40 because I'm trying to give it room to breathe. So I'm at $10, and that's fine. If it come all the way back here, it might not be going down that much. So it's all good. Bitch fighting. Come on, break that goal line. Break that goal line. Break the plane, y'all. That's what we trying to do. Man. Again, at the worst, we sell it. At the worst, I'm selling it for $10. Y'all just make sure y'all in the green somewhere. I don't care if it's $5. Make sure you in the green. Yeah, it look like it ain't gonna do what I wanted to do, y'all. And that's okay, because we can always get back in this bitch. See, if it was me trading on my own, I probably would have been bought these bitches. But I'm trying to show y'all the right way to do things. For $50. I'm up 49.58. Come on, nigga. There you go. Let me go up a little bit. Not too much. I went up to 20 something dollars. Yeah. Because this the way y'all see the way the line is struggling. It is struggling to break down. So I definitely got to give it room to breathe. So right now, at worst, I walk away with $22. At this point, I'm finna put a timer on it. It's 12:18. Let's see how much money we can make from now till I sell this bitch. 12:18.
What this is? That's for me. That's for me.
No, it's training combine. We just
How you doing,
training.
Miss? How you doing, Miss Coop?
Oh, hello. I didn't know y'all could hear us.
All right, y'all. Look, now slide down, slide with it. Look, I'm up $80 something. So I'm finna put mine at. Okay, I stopped at like 58. Still sliding down, y'all. We just gonna follow this bad boy down. I told y'all if we get down here, we was gonna come down. Look at that. Boom, I'm at $100. I'm moving mine to like 75. I'm just trying to give it room to breathe, y'all. I don't whatever. If it's 75, who cares? It was 12.18 when I said we're gonna see where we going. So from there we made $50 more. From 12.18 to 12.19, we don't make $50 more. I don't know if we're gonna get a further breakdown, but this might be a tease. But we can get the 606 flat, man. Oh, y'all, I'm sorry, y'all don't see me. Y'all don't see the chart I'm looking at. Yeah, here it come. Coming to get my stop loss. Yeah, it's coming to get my stop loss, y'all.
Order
$75.
filled.
Boom. Hey, look. Hmm? 80, 100, and what, 70 something? Yeah. Basically $300. I could have walked away with all that. That was $300 street in 10 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want them to. I don't want them trading big, and ain't trying to blow nobody account. So we going small at a time.
Order filled. Order filled.
Hmm. I'm in another trade. I didn't want y'all to enter this because I went hard on. I went a little harder on this trade. I don't want y'all to enter this, so I had to tell you about it. I went 3 contracts. I had them going 1 contract. I meant to actually go 10 contracts, but I hit 3 by mistake.
Order filled.
Yeah, so I made $10 off of it. Cool. Yeah, I didn't want y'all in that. That was just, you know. Yeah, I know KB fuck out sometimes. It's right, not right now. I'll let you know when. It's probably gonna end up going down. And as a matter of fact, this is what we finna do, y'all. Let's go set another one. This time we're gonna be a little. Hold on, this is 1, 2. We may be looking for a third knock. So let's go here, guys. 24,949. Go to stop sell, buy 3 this time. Let's see if it comes there. This might be real quick because what it might be about to do, if it comes down again, it may do this. Remember, I told y'all it knocks on the door 3 times. This is knock 1, and this is knock 2. So it may be a third knock. So we may just get it quickly. So slide this up a little bit to 24,952, something like that. But this is gonna be real quick. We're gonna make sure we don't lose too much, I should say. Definitely have your parameter set small on this. Have it set to like $20. You got time to go do that now. Put your loss at $20. And then as a matter of fact, you're gonna adjust it because so we're buying, it's gonna buy 3 contracts, right? So it's actually gonna make your loss go to 60. So but you're gonna adjust it quick. Y'all just follow me. So y'all should have a stop market sell that is set at 24,952.50. It don't have to be exact. Just get around there. And let's see if we can get it. Let's see. This is a small resistance at the top. It went right through it. For now, anyway. So small resistance. Let me tell y'all something. Let me give y'all a little trick of the trade. Some places have really, really hard stopping resistance areas that you can't see. And I'll tell you what, when a stock goes between, for instance, if a stock is at 606.80, 606.85, between that 606.80 and that 607.10 or 15, there's usually a lot of bullshit in that range. Always remember that. So you kind of want to clear those. So if something is at 607 and it goes down to say 606.90, 606.8, be careful because it probably just bounce right back up and it's gonna stay there and play for a little while. So those are like that's a good 40-cent range from 80 whatever until the next digit 20. What I mean is 680, the next digit is I'm sorry, 608.80, the next digit is 609, right? So 608.80, 609, I would say 15 to 20. Those are bullshit ranges. They bounce up and it just did it. It just did it right now. Y'all can't see if y'all unless y'all on Weibo what I'm talking about. But just remember that the top of a new digit and the bottom of a new digit is a bullshit range. That 20 to 30, maybe 40 cents, man, it's just gonna fuck with you. So those are tough ranges. Those are ranges you might want to scalp as opposed to holding on to sometimes.